Now see the next question based on bank reconciliation statement. See the next question. So on 31st March 2019, the bank column of cash book of Mr. Rajesh showed a debit balance of 5,200. So date of reconciliation is 31st March. You write it first, 31st March 2019. This is the date of reconciliation. So 31st March 2019, the bank column of cash book means bank balance as per cash book is given in the question. Bank balance as per cash book is given in the question. So cash book balance is debit balance, bank balance of cash book of Mr. Rajesh. So bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Rajesh. We are preparing the Rajesh bank reconciliation statement. So cash book of Mr. Rajesh showed a debit balance. It's a cash book have a debit balance. It means it's a favorable. So 5,200 we will write in the plus. Which side? Plus side. This is plus and this is minus. Okay. Now come to first one. Number 1. Check of rupees 20,000 were deposited. Check of rupees 20,000 were sent to bank for collection. So you see the cash book and this is passbook. So when we send the check for collection, so our cash book balance is increased by 20,000. Check of rupees 20,000 were sent to bank for collection. Out of this, check of 4,000 and rupees 5,000 are credited respectively on 5th April and 6th April. Means after this date. Means as on or before this date, the check is not credited. So 4,000 and 5,000 were credited respectively on 5th April and 6th April respectively, and remaining checks were credited before 31st March. Means these two checks, 4,000 and 5,000 checks is not credited up to 31st March. So how much check is credited in the bank? The check credited in the bank is 11,000. 9,000 is not credited up to 31st March 2019. So we are taking cash book as a base as per cash book. So we'll do the addition and subtraction this side to make the balance equal to the passbook side. So what we'll do, we will deduct. How much amount we'll deduct so that this will be equal to that 9,000 will be deducted. 20 minus 9, 11. So this will be equal to that. So 9,000 we will write in the minus side. We will write 9,000. So information number 1 is what? Checks amounting to rupees. You write the details. Checks amounting. Okay. Amounting. Checks of rupees 20,000, checks of rupees 20,000 were sent. Okay, you write the complete sentence, write it and write the figure in the minus side. Second is a check of rupees 7,500. A check of rupees 7,500. You write the complete sentence. Check of rupees 7,500 received from a customer, although entered in the bank column of the cash book, was omitted to be paid into bank. Paid into bank means deposited into bank. So when the check is received, okay, check is received. How much check is received? Check of rupees 7,000 check, 7,500 check were received from a customer, entered in the cash book, okay, in the bank column, but was omitted to be paid, means forget to deposit into bank. So when we forget to deposit into bank, this entry is not recorded in the passbook. So passbook balance is here and cash book balance is here. So using the cash book side, we have to make the balance equal. So what we will do, we will deduct how much? 7,500, we will minus it. So we'll write in the minus column, 7,500 in the minus column. Okay. Next is third number. See the third number. Checks drawn. Third one is checks drawn. Rupees, for rupees 25,000. So write the sentence complete over here, complete the sentence. So checks drawn for rupees 25,000 were not presented for payment. That check is not presented for payment. So when the check is drawn, means issued, the cash book balance is decreased by 25,000. It is decreased by 25,000. But that check is not presented for payment. So passbook balance is not reduced. So passbook balance is here and cash book balance is here. To make the balance equal with the passbook, what we will do in the cash book, we will add it. Add 25,000. Then this will be equal to passbook balance. So 25,000 we will write in the plus column, in the column of plus. Okay. The next is fourth number, number 4. Credit side of the bank column. Okay, you complete this sentence, write it over here. Credit side of the bank column of cash book was overcast. Credit side of the bank column, okay, is overcast. Credit side is your payment side. Credit side of the bank column is which side? Payment side. If the payment side is overcast, then what will be the impact on bank balance CD? The balance CD will be reduced by that amount, because the payment side is more. So when it is deducted from the receipt side, so your balance will be reduced by 100. It's 100 rupees, reduced by 100. And no as such mistake is done by the accountant of the bank. So bank is not committed that mistake. So passbook balance is here, but cash book balance is reduced by 100 rupees. So make the balance equal to the passbook. What we will do? We will do the addition. We will add 100 rupees. Then it will be equal to the passbook balance. So what we will do? We do the additions in the add side. Next one is fifth number. A bills payable. BP means bills payable for rupees 3,600. 3,600 for rupees 3,600 has been, you write the complete sentence over here, has been paid by the bank but not yet recorded in the cash book. Bills payable paid by the bank. Sometimes bills, as per our instruction, bank do the payment of the bills payable. So when the bills payable paid by the bank, so passbook balance will decrease by 3,600. Decrease by 3,600. Okay, but not recorded in the cash book. That is not recorded. This payment is not recorded in the cash book. It may be the bank is not informed to us. That's why it is not recorded in the credit side in the cash book. So cash book balance is not reduced. So cash book balance is here and passbook balance is here. What we will do? We will reduce 3,600 in the cash book side to make the balance equal to the passbook. So 3,600 will be in the minus side. 3600 in the minus side. Next one is sixth number. See the sixth point. No entry has been made. No entry has been made. Write the complete sentence over here. So no entry has been made in the cash book to record the dishonor on 28th March 2019 of a check of rupees 5400 received from a customer. So entry of dishonor is not passed. When we received the check from a customer and deposited that amount into bank, so cash book balance will increase by 5000. Amount is how much? Amount is 5400. Cash book balance is increased when this amount is deposited into bank. But in bank that check is dishonored. And no entry for dishonor is passed in the cash book. So cash book balance is not reduced, but passbook balance, in the passbook side no entry is done for that check because that check is dishonored. So cash passbook balance is here, passbook balance, and cash book balance is here. To make the equal to the passbook balance, what we will do, we will reduce 5400 in the passbook, in the cash book. So you write in the minus side 5400 in the minus side, so that this will be equal to the passbook balance. Cash book balance will be equal to the passbook balance. Now seventh number. Number 7. A check of rupees 2500 issued to a creditor was wrongly entered in the cash column of cash book. It is wrongly entered in the cash column of cash book. There are the 2 columns in the cash book. We know that there are 2 columns in the cash book. One column is for cash column, another is for bank column, both in debit and credit side. Because we prepare the cash book in columnar form, double column, cash and bank. So here the information is what? A check of rupees 2500 issued to a creditor. So that will be entered in the credit side of the cash book in the bank column. But wrongly this was entered in the cash column. It means in the cash book, in the bank column it is not recorded. So cash book balance is as it is as before. But in passbook this will be reduced. This will be reduced by 2500 because that check is presented by the creditors before the bank and bank has done the payment. So in passbook, bank, what you do the bank will debit this amount in our ledger. So passbook balance will reduce by 2500, whereas cash book balance is not reduced because it is entered but entered in the wrong column. Instead of bank column, it is recorded in the entered in cash column. So cash book balance is here and passbook balance is here. What we will do, we have to reduce 2500 in the cash book, then this will be equal to this. So this will be minus 2500 in minus side. Next one is point number 8. Cause of difference number 8. Difference number 8 is what? In the cash book, bank charges. This information I'll divide into 2. In the cash book, this will be point number 1, A. Okay, A. Bank charges of rupees 200. This is 1. You write the sentence. And B part is another bank charges of rupees 500 completed. So I've divided into two parts. This point of difference is divided into two parts. So first part is bank charges 200 were entered twice. Bank charges entered twice. Where entered twice, bank charges in the cash book, bank charges of rupees 200 entered twice. Two times it is entered. So 200 plus 200. Two times it is deducted. But in passbook it is only minus by 200. In cash book 2 times it is recorded. So cash book is reduced by 400 whereas passbook is only reduced by 200. So make the balance equal to that. What we will do? We will do the addition 200 in the cash book so that it will become equal to the passbook. So what we will do? We will do the plus 200 will be added by us. We will add the 200. Next is another bank charges 500 was not recorded at all. Another bank charges was not recorded at all. It means that bank charges is recorded in passbook but not recorded in cash book. So cash book balance is here and passbook balance is here. What we will do? We will reduce 500 in cash book so that this will be equal to the passbook. So 500 will be in the minus side. 500 will be in the minus side. Now we will do the additions. So do the additions 0, 0, 5 or 6, 11, 15, 20, 25, 2, 11, 18, 19, 20, 21, 26, 27, 28, 28,500. 28,500 and this side total is 0, 0, 2, 1, 3, 3 to 5, 5 or 5, 10, 3, 30,500. This side total is 30,500. So bank balance as per we have started with the cash book. So as per passbook we have to write the bank balance as per passbook. Bank balance as per passbook. The resultant will be passbook. Just opposite. Here start with the cash book. Answer will be passbook. So which side is more? Plus side is more. Minus side is less. So difference amount is what? Difference is what? 30,500 in the plus side and minus side is 28,500. So difference figure is 30,500. So difference figure is 2,000 is the difference figure. 2,000. Okay. 2,000 is the difference. So plus is more and minus is less. It means positive balance. In passbook it is credit balance. Positive balance means credit balance. Okay. It's a favorable balance. Plus is more and minus is less by 2,000. So it's a favorable balance and passbook favorable balance is credit balance.